One of the things that you quickly realize when you start doing videos is you really need to do them in batches. It's a way to get things done faster. So here I am out in the field doing, the one thing is that when I get back, because I'm recording as I'm going along, and sometimes I'll misspeak and I need to say the same thing over again. Like the other day, I couldn't say the word obtain for some reason. When this happens, then you go back in your editing it. Apparently my eye was leaking. When you go back in and you're editing it, now you got to go in and you got to cut all those dead spots out. And while we could go and we could like expand the marquee here, we could look for the low spots. Let's see, we could do that. We could look for the low spots in here to see like when I'm taking a breath and then go in and cut those out. That's going to take forever to do. There is a faster, easier way to do it that makes it so much simpler on your life. So what I'm gonna do is hit the arrow up key. That's gonna take me back to the beginning of this frame. I'm gonna go to text. Now, this is the beginning of that segment. So when I'm in text, you can see here is the text of what I'm saying. And you can see these parts right here, these are pauses, and there might be filler words. What I can do is go up here to this funnel, and this funnel is the magic funnel, and I can look for filler words, and I can also look for pauses. So I'm gonna go look for pauses. Now it's gonna show me where all the pauses are. I could go in and click on each one of them and delete, like ripple delete them, but that's gonna take forever if you have a lot of pauses in your video, especially if you're shooting batches of videos where you're going to have hours and hours of footage to go through. It's going to be a pain to do. So how can you do this faster? We're going to go up here instead to this box right here that says delete. We're going to click on it, and now it's going to ask us a magic question. Do you want to delete one or do you want to delete all of them? We're going to hit delete all, and let's expand that timeline down there. Expand the marquee, and now watch what happens to this box. We'll make it bigger so we can see it. So we're going to see what happens to this. Okay, we're going to hit delete all, and within seconds it has deleted out all of the pauses. And we could do the same thing with filler words. If I had any filler words, so like I say up here that there's no results, so I don't have any filler words that was used in this video. So that is a very fast way to edit your video, get out the pauses, get out the filler words, and make your editing process as streamlined as possible.